Dofetilide, Tikosyn. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Dofetilide. Brand name, Tikosyn. Drug class, class 3 antiarrhythmic potassium channel blocker. Therapeutic class, antiarrhythmic. Available forms, oral capsules, 125 milligrams, 250 milligrams, 500 milligrams. Number 2. Definition: Dofetilide is a pure class 3 antiarrhythmic medication used to convert atrial fibrillation or atrial flutter to normal sinus rhythm and to maintain sinus rhythm after conversion. It is considered a high alert medication because of its potential to cause life-threatening arrhythmias, particularly Torsades de Pointes. Number 3. Mechanism of action MOA. Dofetilide works by selectively blocking the rapid component of the delayed rectifier potassium current, IKR, in cardiac tissue, inhibiting outward potassium flow during phase 3 of the cardiac action potential, prolonging repolarization, increasing action potential duration, prolonging the QT interval on ECG. Important: does not affect sodium channels, does not affect beta receptors, does not have calcium channel blocking properties, does not depress myocardial contractility. It is a pure potassium channel blocker. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption: oral bioavailability 90%, peak plasma concentration 2 to 3 hours after dose. Food does not significantly affect absorption. Distribution: protein binding 60 to 70%. Volume of distribution: moderate at metabolism, minimal hepatic metabolism, minor CYP3A4 involvement. Elimination: 80% excreted unchanged in urine. Renal clearance is critical. Half-life 8-10 hours, may be prolonged in renal impairment. Special populations: dose must be adjusted in renal impairment. Not recommended in severe renal failure, CRL 20 ml. Number 5. Uses: conversion of atrial fibrillation, AF, to sinus rhythm. Maintenance of sinus rhythm in patients with AF. Treatment of atrial flutter. Number 6. Indications: indicated for highly symptomatic atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter, patients requiring rhythm control rather than rate control. Often used when electrical cardioversion is planned, other antiarrhythmics are ineffective or not tolerated. Number 7. Contraindications. Absolute contraindications: congenital long QT syndrome, baseline QTc 440 millisecs, 500 millisec with conduction abnormality, severe renal impairment, CRCL 20 ml, hypokalemia, hypomelemia, concomitant use with drugs that increase Dofetilide concentration, contraindicated with cimetidine, verapamil, ketoconazole, trimethoprim, hydrochlorothiazide, prochlorperazine, migestrol. These drugs inhibit renal secretion of Dofetilide and increase plasma levels, risk of Torsades de Pointes. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Hospitalization required. Must be started in hospital. Continuous ECG monitoring for minimum 3 days. QT interval measured 2 to 3 hours after each dose. Monitor renal function, creatinine clearance, serum potassium and magnesium, QTc interval. Use caution in elderly patients, structural heart disease, heart failure, electrolyte disturbances. Pregnancy and lactation. Use only if benefit outweighs risk. Limited human data. Number 9. How to use. Take exactly as prescribed, usually twice daily, every 12 hours. May be taken with or without food. Swallow capsules whole. Do not crush or open capsules. Keep strict dosing schedule. Number 10. Dosing information. Initial dosing is based on creatinine clearance. Creatinine clearance. Starting dose for 60 ml, 500 micrograms twice daily, 40 to 60 milliliters per min, 250 micrograms twice daily, 20 to 39 milliliters per min, 25 micrograms twice daily, 20 milliliters per min, contraindicated. QT-based adjustment. Measure QT 2 to 3 hours after first dose. If QT increases 15% or exceeds 500 ml, reduce dose. If QT 500 ml anytime, discontinue. Number 11. Missed dose, overdose. Missed dose. Skip missed dose if close to next scheduled dose. Do not double dose. If more than one dose missed, may require hospital readmission for reinitiation. Overdose. Severe QT prolongation, Torsades de Pointes, ventricular arrhythmias, cardiac arrest management, immediate hospitalization, magnesium sulfate IV, temporary pacing if needed. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop and seek emergency care if fainting, severe dizziness, palpitations, irregular heartbeat, chest pain. Do not discontinue abruptly without physician approval. Number 13. Side effects: common, headache, dizziness, chest pain, nausea. Serious: QT prolongation, Torsades de Pointes, ventricular tachycardia, sudden cardiac death, rare. Risk of torsades is highest in first 3 days. Number 14, vital information, high yield points. Black box warning: initiation requires hospitalization. Must calculate creatinine clearance before starting. Electrolytes must be normal. Narrow therapeutic index. High risk of drug interactions. Continuous ECG monitoring required during initiation. Number 15, other drugs that will affect dofetilide. Increased risk of QT prolongation. Other class 3 antiarrhythmics, certain antidepressants, macrolide antibiotics, fluoroquinolones, antipsychotics. Compared with amiodarone, less torsades risk, more organ toxicity, thyroid, lung, liver. Dofetilide, less systemic toxicity, higher torsades risk. Sotalol, beta blocker plus class 3 effect. Both prolong QT, both require monitoring. Dofetilide is more selective potassium blocker. Number 16, drug comparison summary feature dofetilide, amiodarone, sotalol. Class 3 multi-channel, 3 plus beta blocker. QT prolongation high, moderate high, organ toxicity low, moderate, hospital start required, not always. Usually required, renal adjustment, yes, no, yes. Number 17, patient teaching TILD. 1, take medication exactly every 12 hours, never double doses. 3, keep all follow-up ECG appointments. 4, report fainting immediately. 5, avoid new medications without approval. 6, avoid herbal supplements unless approved. 7, maintain adequate hydration. 8, prevent electrolyte imbalance. 9, inform provider if vomiting or diarrhea occurs. 10, carry medication list at all times. Clinical pearls tip, pure class 3 agent. Requires 3-day hospitalization. Dose based on renal function. Risk of Torsades de Pointes. Do not use with QT prolonging drugs. Monitor QT 2 to 3 hours after each initial dose. Nursing considerations for dofetilide, Tikosyn. Dofetilide is a high-alert antiarrhythmic, requiring strict nursing monitoring due to risk of life-threatening arrhythmias, especially Torsades de Pointes. Number 1, pre-administration nursing assessment. Baseline ECG, obtain 12-lead ECG before first dose. Assess QTC interval. Do not administer if QTC 440 millisecs, QTC 500 millisec, with ventricular conduction abnormality, renal function. Calculate creatinine clearance, CRCL. Dose is based strictly on CRCL, contraindicated if CRCL 20 milliliters per min. Electrolytes, check. Potassium K+, magnesium Mg2+, correct hypokalemia or hypomagnesemia before administration. Maintain K+, 4-minute Micrila when possible. Medication reconciliation, check for contraindicated medications such as cimetidine, verapamil, trimethoprim, hydrochlorothiazide. Number 2, initiation protocol, very important. Dofetilide must be started in a hospital setting. Required monitoring, continuous cardiac monitoring, telemetry, minimum of 3 days hospitalization, measure QTC 2-3 hours after each of the first 5 doses. Nursing role, monitor rhythm continuously, report QT prolongation immediately, hold dose and notify provider if QTC 500 millisecond. Number 3, ongoing monitoring, cardiac monitoring, watch for Torsades de Pointes, ventricular tachycardia, bradycardia, monitor for palpitations, dizziness, syncope. Vital signs, monitor blood pressure, heart rate, oxygen saturation. Laboratory monitoring, serum creatinine, potassium, magnesium, periodic ECGs. Number 4, recognition of Torsades de Pointes, emergency, signs, sudden dizziness, syncope, irregular rapid pulse, cardiac arrest. Immediate actions, call rapid response code, prepare for IV magnesium sulfate, defibrillation if unstable. Number 5, administration considerations, give exactly every 12 hours, may be given with or without food, do not crush capsules, ensure consistent timing daily, double check dose with another nurse, high alert drug. Number 6, safety considerations, high risk for QT prolongation, narrow therapeutic index, dose adjustments required for renal changes. If more than 1 dose missed, patient may need hospital reinitiation. Number 7, patient education, nursing teaching role. Teach patient to take medication exactly as prescribed, never double doses. Report fainting, severe dizziness, irregular heartbeat, avoid OTC medications without approval. Maintain hydration, avoid electrolyte imbalance, vomiting, diarrhea. Keep all follow-up ECG appointments. Number 8. Special population considerations. Elderly, higher risk of renal impairment, increased risk of QT prolongation. Heart failure patients, monitor closely for arrhythmias. Renal impairment, dose reduction required. Frequent monitoring necessary. Number 9. Nursing diagnosis examples. Decreased cardiac output related to altered electrical conduction. Risk for decreased cardiac tissue perfusion. Risk for injury related to syncope. Deficient knowledge regarding medication regimen. Number 10. Documentation responsibilities. Baseline QTC value. Creatinine clearance calculation. Electrolyte levels. ECG results after each dose. Patient response to therapy. Any adverse reactions. High-yield nursing exam points must be initiated in hospital. Monitor QT 2 to 3 hours after dose. Dose based on renal function. Risk of Torsades de Pointes. Hold if QTC 500 millisecond. Electrolytes must be normal before administration. Thank you. Have a nice day.